I miss you. I miss you, Boxycharm. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here for another unboxing in the car, and this time it's Boxycharm. So I've got the box. It came in the mail this afternoon, and I just went ahead and grabbed it on my way to my daughter's swim lesson. This is like my second unboxing in the car because I've just been so busy. And if you haven't seen my Ipsy unboxing from last week, you should definitely check it out. It's another quick unboxing in the car, but it was so much fun. So I figured I'd just keep on going with this and show you what I got. You guys know Boxycharm, it's like $25 a month. I haven't had Boxycharm in a couple of months now. I miss you. I miss you, Boxycharm. It's been a while. Like, I think the last Boxycharm I had was in March, maybe February. I'm excited to see what I got. Actually, I already peeked. This is more just for showing you guys, so I know what I got. So here's the card. It looks like boxyflourish is the theme. And unlike Ipsy, Boxy always comes through with a list of products that are in my box. So we're going to refer to that. First thing that I'm going to unbox is KAB Cosmetics. I've never had KAB Cosmetics before. I've never tried it, but look at the packaging. So pretty. Honestly, I looked into this and it looks so gorgeous. When I saw the colors, I'm seriously thinking of keeping it. So this is the eyeshadow, guys. And if you know me and if you've been watching my channel, you know that I love these colors. I'm all about the pinks and the oranges and the raspberry colors. If you look at this palette, honestly, I can tell you right now, I have every color in this palette in some other brand or form. And so, I don't know. I think I'm going to save this for a giveaway. This is originally $52, guys. I'm kind of just more curious about the formula. I really don't like dissing a product or a brand until I've tried it. Next one is this Lavish Brush Set. This Lavish Brush Set is $30. This 5-piece brush set. The colors are kind of okay. I mean, they're not my favorite. Like, green is not my favorite color. I do love like yellow. So it is kind of giving me some summer vibes here. They actually feel really soft. So definitely, I think I'm going to put this in a giveaway. Maybe someone else will love this kind of color scheme, so I'm just gonna pass on it. Next one I'm super excited about, the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. Okay, this glow wand, I wonder how this is different from the creamy concealer Shape Tape. Are they the same one? Comment it down below. It looks like it's a color that I can definitely use, especially for the summertime. I don't know how this works.
It looks like a lipstick.
I know. Oh, I think it's a sponge, and then maybe, there we go, there we go. And then you have the applicator right there. It looks like it's going to match me. It looks like it's a shade that I would be able to use. So I'm excited.
It looks like peanut butter.
But yeah, it looks like peanut butter. And then you have, interesting, the coverage seems very light, like barely any coverage when I use the, you know, this little spongy applicator here. All right, we gotta test this out more and get to know this product more. I'm in the color A Gleam. This Tarte Shape Tape is $27. That's expensive. Okay, the next one is, I'm saving the best for last. This one, second to last, is by Han, All Natural Multi-Stick. Seems like it's an all-natural brand. And it's $16. Delivers healthy looking color for the cheeks, eyes, and lips. Oh, okay, so I know this. So, oh my gosh, I want to try this. These multi-sticks are are pretty great, and it looks like it's a cream formula. This is the color right here. I'm gonna keep this just because I like the color. So you can use this on your cheeks or on your lips. So, ooh, let's see, if I were to blend that, I think that's a nice sheen for your cheeks. So I'm definitely excited about this. Ooh, it looks like it's buildable too. Look at that. Ooh, super excited for this. I'm definitely gonna use this. Why don't we use it now? Because it seems like I need a touch up. Again, my makeup is expired. It is like 4 p.m. I'm oily as heck. But ooh, look at that. I love it on the cheeks. What do you guys think? Okay, very nice. I'm excited to try this. All right, this is by Hans. And the last one, guys. Let me put my glasses back on. This is a Ciate bamboo bronzer. Everything I've tried from Ciate, I really enjoyed. I mean, amazing. I've tried their powders, I've tried their blushes. Packaging, I mean, come on. It's like a mirrored packaging. You can see everything in my car. There's my camera.
Ooh.
And look at what's inside. Stars. Oh my gosh. How pretty is that? I almost don't want to swatch this. I hope this works for me. I feel like it's borderline light and a little reddish, but super creamy. It feels creamy to the touch. It does have that kind of grayish tone. Oh yeah. I think I can definitely work with it. Yes. It might be a little reddish, but maybe not. I mean, what do you guys think? I think this is the best one. Ciate London Bamboo Bronzer is $28, guys. $28. It feels creamy and it looks like it blends so nicely. I mean, even on my skin, it already looks super smooth and kind of blurring too. So I'm excited to try that. And you know, I've bought so many highlighters. Now this time that I got a bronzer, I am so excited. I love bronzers and highlighters. What do you guys think of my box? Is it good? I have to run into the pool now and take my daughter to swim. I will have the total price right here for this Flourish May Boxycharm. I would give it like 4 out of 5 stars for sure. Let me know what your favorite is down below. Did you like my box? So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick and dirty unboxing. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye, guys.